So friends, we have seen in our last session that validation through classes. So in this session we will see the validation through directives. So here what happens, I have written that form.ng plus sign and I have set the background color is equal to, that is, pink. So in this case, when I will run this program, what will happen is at the first time the browser loads the page, my background color for the form would be pink because the pristine value at that time would be true. So it will set that background color to pink. So let's run this and check how it is working. So here you can see, so it's the background color is pink. So whenever I'll touch any of the control and edit that control, that element, then at that time that value become false and that style would be disappear. So let's write age 25. So you see that the background color has gone. So this is due to because the pristine value becomes false. So the style is now skipped from the page. So let's add some more styles. So I'm giving style to the form tag, setting the background color is equal to light blue. So in this case what will happen, once the pristine color would be skipped from my page, once it will become false, the pristine state, then the pink color would disappear and this attributes style would be applied to the page. So this tag, in the form tag, I have set the background color to light blue, so this would be visible at that time when the pristine value will become false. So let's run this program and check how the output is coming. Yeah, so the moment I will write anything, the background color will change from pink to light green. So let's enter age 23. So you have seen that the background color is gone and the new background color is set, that is light blue. So in this way we can do the validation part on class level. Okay, so this is not only limited to these tags, these styles what I have applied here. So you can write any of these style based on your input element, based on your form element, based on different states like touched, untouched, valid, non-valid, invalid, dirty. Okay, so this is our style part and how this style is applied based on the states. In the next part we'll see how to apply validation through directives. So friends, in this session we have seen that how to perform validation through directives, and hope you understood this example and hope it would be beneficial to you. Thank you.